Hello there, it's Alan McGillivray from Surfers Paradise, Alan McGillivray Real Estate, Surfers Paradise. Well, it's been all go here this weekend. We've just had the car race up here, the Gold Coast 600. A lot of people there enjoying it, and of course it was all go. Yeah, it really was the whole weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and everyone enjoyed it. And of course a lot of people not only enjoyed that, while they're here, they enjoyed the hospitality of what goes up here on the Gold Coast, the restaurants, theme parks, and also the ocean, of course. You name it, they enjoyed it. Now, the other thing, of course, is that real estate, well, it's still a good time to buy up here on the Gold Coast. It's certainly a lot cheaper than when you consider interstate, Sydney and Melbourne. Those people getting big prices down there, they can actually sell down here, buy up here, and have money over. Now, how good's that? That's pretty good, isn't it? So I'm suggesting that now's a good time to be buying real estate here on the Gold Coast. Now, if you're looking to buy a property, you can go to our webpage, www.alanmcgillivray.com.au. We also handle permanent rentals, so if you're thinking of renting a property, certainly let us know. Or if you're thinking of selling your property and you'd like to get an idea of what you think it would be worth, certainly give us a ring and we'll do what we can to give you an idea of the current market value of your property. Also, if you're wanting to rental, we can do the same and give you the current rental price that you would get permanently, that is. Anyway, so good up here. Don't forget, if you're up here, call in, say hello. We'd love to see you.